Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a day in the life video. I have tons of stuff I'm trying to do today. I need to clean out my oven. I need to clean out my fridge. Yesterday was Halloween and today is November 1st. Obviously, if yesterday was Halloween, but anyways, I went grocery shopping and I kind of just threw everything in my fridge because we had to hurry up and get ready to go trick-or-treating. So that needs to be done. It's a mess in there and I'm not proud of it, but it's life sometimes. So hopefully we'll get that done. What else do I need to do? Some everyday cleaning stuff, of course, sweeping. I don't know if I'm gonna mop today. I mopped not yesterday but the day before, but we'll see what the day allows me to do. So because today is November 1st, I need to take down Halloween like immediately, like yesterday. So and I don't know if I'm gonna do Christmas like just right this very second. I think I'm gonna get Halloween taken down and then kind of slowly put Christmas up, but for sure Christmas is going up. Hold on just a minute, sorry about that. Robocalls, they're always glorious, but now I don't know where I was at. Anyways, I think I was talking about Christmas. Yeah, I don't know. Christmas is gonna be set up slowly but surely here in this household because I love the Christmas lights. They make me happy. So yeah, we're gonna kind of see how the day goes and what the day allows me to do. We've been like crazy sick in this house. It's not COVID, but it was like a really bad, I'm gonna sneeze. Are you coming or not? No, okay. It was like a really bad upper respiratory infection and it took us all down. So that was not fun and we're getting better. We're pretty much, well, I'm pretty much almost all better. My husband's still kind of sick and my kids are getting better, so that's nice. But it felt like there was no light at the end of this tunnel. It was so bad. But yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it's not too choppy for you. If you guys like content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video, leaving some love down for me in the down in the comments, and let's get right on into it. This is why I've had to film this intro 50 times. She crumbled her cookies. She's got wipes. She's got these little toy pieces in a pan. She's cooking, okay? It's gonna be delicious. But I've had to keep her from like ripping out every wipe in the bag. But I've already read my Bible this morning. I gotta put that away. My house is kind of like crazy, so I definitely just need to clean up after breakfast and take out the Halloween stuff. Sorry, the lighting is like crazy. Everything's crazy apparently. Ooh, I fixed it. I think so. And like a random squeezed water bottle, like children. Anyways, here's the rug. See, like I gotta kind of play with it, but I think it looks good. And eventually I'll get some side tables. I don't know if I'll get a, ooh, I'm spilling water. I don't know if I'll get a coffee table, but all right, I'm gonna quit talking. Let's clean up. So I don't really want to make this video too much about cleaning, but I do want to get the kitchen cleaned up before I start anything else today.
So I love my island, but it is such a catch-all. I mean, it catches absolutely everything, but it is so nice to see it nice and clean. Y'all, look at all these medicines on top of our microwave. I was not playing when I said we were so sick. We have everything from cough medicine to allergy medicine to vitamins to tea that you can drink when you have a cold, like everything on top of this microwave. So now that we are getting better, it is so nice to just clean it off, but I put it there because it was just convenient and good for us to remember that it was there.
Jace's, here, put this in Jace's toy.
What's up, guys? Many people are...
Put this in Jace's dinosaur.
I don't want to.
I don't care, but here, this one too. You're the one that put him in Cookie.
I don't want to. I don't want to. Hey, what's up? What's up, guys? Channel is the best, though. We're just channel the best kid. We're gonna do is mopping and cleaning.
So I'm taking down the Halloween decorations off of my mantle, and I start to take down the fall decorations, but then I put them back just because I don't have my Christmas decorations out yet, and I didn't want my mantle to be bare until I did so. So I just am wiping it down, and I'll eventually take them down when I bring out my Christmas stuff. Alright, so I'm taking some Halloween stuff down. I don't know, funny, I guess. And like, I tried to make her look like a ghost. The scarecrow that I have hanging up on my little podium here, don't mind, my porch needs to be repainted. But I just like threw some kind of, okay, I kind of threw some tulle up here just to, I don't know, put something there. And then I have this little hanging pumpkin. I have some pumpkins over there. And then I have, there's my tripod, I have all this stuff for fall. Like, my hay bales went completely downhill, and I don't know why. I guess it's because it's real hay and they stink and they're nasty. So I know it's still fall, but I need to get rid of like the hay. Like, I just need to get rid of the hay. So, but my pumpkins are still pretty good. I just have to wipe them off because, y'all, these grew mushrooms. My mums need to be replanted. Like, it's a hot mess out here, but it was cute when I first put it up, but I did not expect for this hay to do what it did. this is my first year putting it out, so I was upset about it. But anyways, I put spider webs all over our rose bushes over there, so I'm gonna take all the spider webs down, the pumpkin, the trash bag. I tried to make a ghost costume, and that's gonna be all that I have out here for Halloween. And I'm still gonna leave some of the fall stuff up just because I'm not super ready to decorate outside for Christmas yet, so I'm gonna do that now.
What's the screw doing there?
I don't know, but put it back on the table.
That was so fun.
Hi. You eating? Mmm. Yeah. So we're eating lunch, and I just made him some little sandwich rounds. He's kind of destroyed, but he's a really good eater. So he's just gonna eat on that, and then I'm gonna make me a salad. But first, while I'm eating, I've got my Instant Pot here. I got some chicken. This is from Sam's Club. Just chicken breast. I have two in here, one huge one, and then like it's huge, and then one small one, and I'm just going to pour some salsa over it. I'm gonna use this one because our chips went stale and I need to use it up, so I'm just gonna pour this over it, and maybe a little bit of the paste, I think that's how you pronounce it, and then some cumin and some water in here, and I'm going to let it go. It's frozen and these are pretty big, so maybe 45 minutes. I don't use this very often, so I'm gonna try it. I could be wrong. Of course, if it's not done, I'll just keep cooking it, but I'm gonna try 45 minutes for this. So that's gonna be one of my meal preps. I'm going to do some chicken, like un momento again. Sorry, I'm going to do some, oh my goodness, chicken burrito bowls with some rice, some black beans, and some corn, some salsa, and some sour cream. So that's what this chicken's gonna be for. And then I also have my fish. I'm gonna do some mahi-mahi as some meal prep too with some other veggies, and I'm going to do that after. Sorry, you probably don't want to be staring at my chicken, but I'm going to meal prep the rest of the stuff after I clean out the fridge because I definitely need room. But I'm going to eat, and this is going to cook while I do that. So I'm trying to kill several birds with one stone, and it's already 12:30. Sometimes my days are a lot more productive. And when I film, it's kind of hard to get a lot of stuff done just because you have to think about everything that you're trying to film. So bear with me. But yeah, I'm going to make my salad, and I've got this, ooh, angles. I've got this from Sam's Club. It's huge. I think my husband's gonna eat some of it too, so I love salad. So I'm gonna do a salad, and then I've got croutons, cucumbers, some avocado. I think my avocado's ripe. Yeah. I'm going to, I need to separate them. Some avocado and some tomato and some, did I say croutons? I'm gonna do some croutons too. So we're going to do that now. Some more cumin. Literally so easy. Let's see. Manual. It's already set for 45, so I'm just gonna keep it here and pray that it is done. I'm gonna put this away. And now I'm gonna start on my salad. I'm also gonna put cheese. Yes, sir. Some cheese. Look at how good that looks. Yes. And I'm also gonna do salt, pepper, and onion powder and garlic powder. So good. Just a dash of salt. Sprinkle of some onion powder. Look what I did to my garlic powder. Can y'all see that? Like I melted it because I was grilling one day and I left it too close to the grill and I melted it. All right, top it off with some croutons. These, if you have these at y'all's Walmart or wherever you shop, get them. They are so good. These are my favorite croutons ever. And they're fairly cheap. I think this is like $1.78. I don't know, maybe that's not cheap, but it's super good. And sometimes if I have like a boiled egg, I'll put like boiled egg on top. But you guys cannot tell me that does not look good. It's like blurry. Why is it blurry? Anyways, oh, yum. And then I'm not a huge, I don't put a whole lot of stuff on a whole lot of dressing. Just like that. All right, so we've had lunch. My daughter's down for her nap. And I have went ahead just for the sake of time, because it's already 1:45 and I still have to make something for dinner. I just now pretty much started meal prepping like everything else. I've got the rest of the dishes I gotta do from meal prepping. I still gotta clean out the fridge. I'm probably not gonna get to the oven today, but like it is what it is. I'll just do it another day. I may or may not stick it in a video. And then I still have got to vacuum and clean up the living room. And I know it's only 1:45, but with kids and like everything else, your schedule, like it can go by and it's like a heartbeat. And it is super important for me to meal prep, especially since I've really been trying to lose weight. And it's crucial in the wintertime because I just want to sit down and like munch on all the snacks. And of course you got Thanksgiving and Christmas. And so I feel like I gained 50 pounds in the wintertime because, I mean, here in Tennessee, it gets so
nasty and gloomy, you just like really don't want to do anything. And it's cold, so you're just sitting inside like bored and you just eat all day. So it's crucial for me to meal prep. Anyways, so before I do anything else, like the fridge or the oven, I've got to meal prep. And then I've got to have room in the fridge to put all this stuff, so I've got to clean out the fridge today. And I'm wasting time by talking. Anywho, I'm gonna show you what I've done kind of already for the sake of time, like I mentioned in the beginning, and then I went down a rabbit hole. I have decided to do mahi-mahi. I'm doing 3 pieces, and I've never meal prepped mahi-mahi before. I've made it like only a certain way, so we're gonna see how this works out. And I'm only doing the mahi-mahi because I've had it for a little bit in my freezer and I need to go ahead and eat it up, so hopefully it turns out good. And I've got 3 different vegetables that I'm doing, and then of course I have salad. I have healthy snacks and stuff, so I'll show you what I've done so far. I've already kind of prepped a little bit of it, like I said, just for the sake of time. So right now I've got some asparagus and some broccoli. Are you okay? Some asparagus and some broccoli, and on this I've already like washed it, cut it, and prepped it. Hold on a second. He can't make up his mind what he wants. It has olive oil, Himalayan pink salt, and just a little bit, and then some fresh cracked black pepper. Something is not going his way. And then some garlic powder. And this has the same thing except for, can't remember if I put garlic powder on here or not, but anyways, I love asparagus like this. And this will shrink, so that's why it looks like a lot, but it'll shrink and it really won't be that much. And then in the oven, which I need to clean. Woo. This is literally why it takes me 50 years to film, because now he's laying down drinking a bottle, but like I've got to constantly stop. So I'm sorry, you guys. Day in the life, right? In the oven, I've got, like I said, don't worry about it. Like I need to clean something spilled, and your girl like just has got to clean it up. But that's cooking. There's 12 more minutes, and I will show you what I have on it when it comes out. But I really needed to get it in the oven. And like mess, meal prepping's a mess. He drug all that stuff out from like my Tupperware drawer. Obviously a mess, like, right, am I right? Let's see what this looks like. Let's see if it's done. I gotta like move it away from my cabinet. Okay, duh, Megan, like, ooh. Alright, I'm actually going to put this lid back on and clean up this mess, and then I will shred the chicken. Okay, I know I'm all over the place, but this came out. I had put it on 400 for 25 minutes, and they are done. I cut them just to see, but I did 3 different ones, and like I said, I haven't really done mahi-mahi like prep before, and I've only done it one way, and that is with breadcrumbs, mayonnaise, and onions. Don't knock it. It is the best. Anyways, so here I've done some Cajun, some garlic powder, and onion powder. So Cajun, garlic powder, and onion powder. And then I got lemon pepper here with some olive oil. These both have olive oil. And then this one has mayonnaise and some furikake, which is like a rice seasoning. Let me see if I still have it out. Give me money because it's like salmon flavored, but it's the only one I had. So we're gonna make it work. This. Come on, focus. Why aren't you focusing? Hello. There we go. Anyways, and that's how I normally do my salmon, is with mayonnaise and some furikake. So this one has mayonnaise in that, and then some breadcrumbs sprinkled. So just a little bit of mayonnaise because I know it's meal prep. And this is my meal prep, so don't come for me. Like, I'm gonna do it how I want to do it. And then I've got those in there. Why haven't I learned that it's gonna fog up my camera?
Okay, so it's shredded. And I just took some of the juices that was in here and some salsa, and then I put it in here so it was like moist, and it tastes super good. So these will be for the burrito bowls, or whatever you want to call them, with rice, corn, black beans, just a little bit of sour cream, and maybe some more salsa. That's what this is for. And I haven't made the rice. I probably won't make it tonight, just because I plan on eating this meal prep tomorrow. Okay, so here is my fridge. It is a hot mess. Don't judge me. Like I said, yesterday was Halloween. I went shopping and I literally just shoved everything in here. We have some food that my husband's grandmother made us while we were sick. So I just really need to clean out and organize. Have you guys done this with your strawberries, by the way? And sorry for the noise in the background. That is my air conditioner. So now that I'm done meal prepping, I did not end up doing the Brussels sprouts because like I'm just over it right now. I don't have time. It's like already 3 o'clock. I need to get dinner started, which I'm probably going to do this. Somebody doesn't want to take his nap. Probably going to do this pork tenderloin tonight. So anyways, let's get started on clearing this out. So that spot in my fridge is some chocolate pudding that had spilled. Like I said, we were sick, so I didn't even know it was there until just when I took everything out. So I'm gonna take my all-purpose cleaner and I'm gonna clean out the fridge really good. Normally, if my fridge was dirtier, I would just take all the shelves out and wash them, but it really wasn't bad at all, so I just wiped it out really good. You know, I always wonder like how crumbs get like here so much. You know, like when you open it, do they just waft in here? I don't get it. Another paper towel. Just gonna do this drawer. I'm gonna just wash this out. All right, now I'm gonna put everything back, except for the fruit, because I've got to kind of wash all that off and then put it in different containers probably if I have enough containers, so yeah. My grapes all washed. So let me show you guys what I got so far. It looks so much better and cleaner. I got my fruits, some peppers, dinner for tonight. This drawer is better. This is my meal prepped veggies and my fish, my chicken, some noodles from the other day, my strawberries, my grapes. Alright, so I know this part still kind of looks cluttered, but I have some medicines up here we need, and then I have just some baggies full of, like, here's an avocado, and here was some tzatziki sauce that we had, but it is better than what it was. I got rid of just a few things. And then over here, my daughter, like, slammed this shut and it kind of went all wonky, but I just got cream cheese spread, some crab stuff, and I missed a spot, and some Rick's barbecue sauce, which I can actually get rid of that. You know, I don't know why I kept that, but if y'all have Rick's, do you guys like their sauce? It's been a day, y'all, and I think I'm going to quit the video here, but I'm not sure yet, because I've got to get going on dinner. I might show y'all dinner. We'll see what I do, but 10 times better than what it was before. And it is, let's see what time it is. I've got to give this stuff back. It is 4:12, so I'm going to start dinner. I'm doing this pork loin. Okay, whatever.
We don't want meat.
I'm gonna do the pork loin, and then I think I'm gonna do some boiled cabbage. And
I don't want to eat dinner.
okay, Miss Picky, she's gonna eat dinner, but I'm gonna do boiled cabbage, and then I think I'm going to do, you know, I really don't know what else I'm gonna do. It's kind of one of those days, if you feel me, you know what I mean, and I still want to work out. Finally got all my meal prepping done, and I just need to finish cleaning up the house. I forgot to put my lemonade back, look. Follow me if you want to lose your mind while you watch me. Y'all, this thing made me funny. Quit getting all the cookies out. Life of the toddler. Alright, you guys, so in my true nature, I literally forgot to film an outro for this video, but here I am doing it. Today's the 4th, and I was hoping to already have it up by now, but life happens, and I think I ended the video cooking dinner or something like that. I was gonna tell you guys what I was making for dinner or whatever, but I did end up doing the pork tenderloin with some mashed potatoes. I think I did some boiled cabbage, some corn, green beans, and a roll. I think I may not have done the corn, I don't know. Anyways, she put makeup on this morning with me, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of all over the place. I didn't end up getting my oven done, of course, so I did it the next day because it really needed it. And today I am going to be working on a few things, so stay tuned for that in the future. I do have my Christmas tree up already. I think I said today's the 4th, so I am going to be working on some Christmas content.
What's Christmas content?
Christmas content, Christmas videos.
What does that mean?
I'm going to be filming stuff for Christmas.
Where are the Christmas?
She's still in her pajamas. It's only, well, it's 9 o'clock now. The day is like,
What's the Christmas? Where are the
keeps
orange?
getting away from me. Anyways,
Where's Christmas stuff?
I haven't gotten it out yet, baby.
Oh.
Okay, hold on. To not pain you guys any further, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Leave some love for me down in the comments. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you here. And yeah, stay tuned for my next one. Bye, guys.